We all know the excitement of getting a brand new car, but did you know that certain actions during the first few miles could damage it? From engine break-ins to avoiding towing, there's a lot to consider. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 things you should never do to keep your new car running smoothly for years to come. Let's dive in. Number 1. Don't floor it or bring the engine to redline. When you first drive a new car, you might be tempted to test its speed and performance. However, flooring the accelerator or pushing the engine to its redline during the break-in period is a mistake. Engine components, especially piston rings, need to settle in gradually to ensure a proper seal against the cylinder walls. By forcing the engine into high RPMs too soon, you risk wearing down imperfections too quickly, which could lead to engine damage over time. Even high-performance vehicles, such as the Nissan GT-R or the Chevrolet Corvette, recommend avoiding full-throttle starts during the initial miles. A gentler approach ensures long-term engine health and performance. Number 2. Avoid using cruise control. It may seem convenient to use cruise control, but it's not ideal during the break-in period of your new car. The engine needs varying RPMs and load to break in properly, and cruise control keeps the engine at a steady speed, preventing this necessary variation. Without variation, the engine doesn't get the conditions it needs to settle in correctly. This is especially true for manual transmissions, where gear shifts naturally change the load on the engine. To ensure proper break-in, avoid cruise control and let your car experience different driving conditions, which will help optimize engine performance. Number 3. Don't take short trips that don't allow the engine to fully warm up. Short trips that don't allow your engine to reach its optimal temperature can hinder the break-in process. During the first few miles, it's crucial for the engine to warm up fully, as this ensures the oil circulates properly, providing lubrication to all parts. Without sufficient warm-up, components may not expand correctly, which can impact engine performance. While quick city trips aren't harmful, ensure that you occasionally take longer drives, giving the engine time to reach and maintain its ideal temperature. This helps everything break in smoothly and contributes to the car's long-term health. Number 4. Don't tow heavy loads. During the break-in period, towing heavy loads is something you should avoid in the early miles of your new car. During the break-in period, your engine, transmission, and brakes are still adjusting and settling into their optimal performance levels. Towing places extra strain on these components, forcing the engine to work harder and potentially causing excessive wear. This can affect the longevity and efficiency of your car. Additionally, your brakes and tires also need time to break in, and towing could compromise their ability to perform properly. Wait until your car has passed the break-in period before towing to ensure it's fully ready. Number 5. Don't neglect regular maintenance and checkups. Even though your car is brand new, regular maintenance is just as important during the break-in period as it is later in the car's life. Ignoring maintenance checks, such as oil changes or tire inspections, can lead to poor engine performance or even permanent damage. Many manufacturers provide specific instructions for the first service, often at around 1,000 miles. This initial service is crucial for checking fluid levels, inspecting the engine, and ensuring everything is functioning smoothly. Keep track of your car's maintenance schedule and don't skip those important checkups. Doing so helps ensure the long-term health of your car and avoids costly repairs down the road. There you have it. 5 things you should never do in your brand new car to keep it running smoothly for years to come. Treat your car with care, and it'll reward you with better performance and longevity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on taking care of your car. Thanks for watching. Until next time, safe driving and take good care of your new ride.